Hello everybody here. Today I will install Roky Linux 9.2 on our cloud Inkhost. First we need to create the VM on the Inkhost cloud. Also here we put the number of the VM, as well as we will put the name, like unique name for the VM, and as well as if you do not have the image, you have to download the Roky Linux image from the official website. Here I choose the name like Roky Linux Inkhost. Also, as I mentioned, I will choose here Roky Linux, and the version 9.2 I have to change to host mode, is not like default mode. So after I increase the RAM and the CPU here, this says type, I skip it right now, but I will back to the CPU setting and choose host, because that's 9.2, we need to change to the host. If you do not change it, that means you cannot run it on our cloud. After I create the VM, here I will start the installation through the Inkhost cloud. So as I mentioned, Inkhost cloud based on the Proxmox, so as well as same thing, like Proxmox and Inkhost is same. After I choose install the Roky Linux as a graphical installation, as you see here on screen, actually we will choose the language from this screen, and we do some configuration too. Okay, now we choose the hard drive for the operation system. We will do the root password here. You have to make sure the password is easy to use, easy to you. Do not forget it. And do not forget to turn off the caps. So here I did caps. You have to create another user, like administration user, for the backup of the root account. If you forget like root account, you come back to this account too. I just forget the caps, so I turn it off, then I rewrite the password again. As I said, put easy password to use and the password that you are remembered. Here I just rewrite the password for root account without caps and make sure that's correct. After I done from everything, here we go to the start installation. Before start installation, we have to turn off the network and go to the configuration, go to the IPv6, disable it, because we are not working with IPv4. Choose the manual setting for IPv4, and here I will put my dedicated IP address because I want this system goes to the public. So if you have it, it's okay. If you don't have it, you can ask our team to provide you the dedicated IP address, or if you work as a remote computer, that's okay. You can access it through our website. So you can use it without IPv4, or if you wanted that for like web hosting company or like online cloud or something related to goes to the public, you have to put dedicated IP address. And we put the address, netmask and gateway, DNS and OK. Also here I will put the hostname, like server name or host name. I choose one of our domains, like random domains. We can change it later. And turn on the network, sorry. When you turn on the network, all configuration will be reconfigured again and start on installation. So here I speed up the installation process because it takes time. I think it's 30 minutes to 45 minutes to like access to the resource file and download everything from the image to the like hard disk. Here everything in our cloud available, like is easy to use. We have like all Linux distributions, images. As you see here, after installation we can reboot the system and everything will be done. Here we go to the like another user to access to the root account. We go to this little text and put root to access to the root account and put the password here. Login. Okay, here is everything success. As you see here, like the system is done. We have to go to the terminal to update it with DNF space update. So put DNF or yum same DNF update, enter, and as you see, like the update stream start. Any option here, put yes to continue installation. I mean install the update and will update all packages to current packages. So after installation, the update, you can put DNF upgrade and also DNF like install wgateway. If that's not installed, you can install it, but that's by default is installed. Put reboot and reboot the system. As you see here, we got a new version with the new updates. So everything done.